Shout out to Yago, my boy. Shout out to everybody. Oh man, this song. Let me. Niyo umuntu anyatatse ndaceceka nanizi sana nagonje kuvuga unyataka ahubwo nje kugira ngo tugire a common ground tuganira nta kintu cyiza nko cultivating urukundo muri wowe. The only, it's only right kuba na twakiza muri game twakiza hano kuri 2.5, so mwumve ko it's nibwo buryo bushoboka bwagaragaza my gratitude toward the love you give me. So and I wish nabo nubundi buryo bugaragaza my gratitude toward the love and support you give me. But yeah, so thank you so much. Stay tuned. Love. Huh? Mbuji? Huh? Eh? Utanzabwira bebe abasuza ari kuvugira hirya mu gikari. Bebe basi. Okay, just make a sound.
Hello.
Sound louder. How about you come closer? Huh? No, we don't want you to be on the camera. Trust me. Just come. No, ntabwo dushaka kuza muri camera. Ngwino hano. Ngaho tera ya ndirimbo. Oh? Anyway, my wife alikuwa shout out mwese.
Nanjye mvuye aho mu cyaro naragiraga inka numva indirimbo zawe ku radio man.
Yego.
Basi reka musaba akantu gatoya.
Umuntu
ushaka kuzereka. Mfite umuntu ushaka kuzereka ko byibuza twanavuganye ko byibuza no kuri telefone.
Wow.
Ndashaka ngo indirimbo waririmbye ivuga ngo uzaza ryari.
Umva iyo ndirimbo ndaza kuguhamagara nyikuririmbe kuri telefone tu. Afite amagambo meza arutaye abanditsi.
Thank you,
afite ukuboko kwiza utukaba. Congratulations to you kandi Imana igumugisha. Make sure you use the funds the right way, and please watch out for the video ya plenty. It's coming out next week. Video ya plenty na ibaraditse, my friends. Muhamagawe na The Ben.
Yes.
Kandi turajya ngo tubabwire congratulations ko mwabashije gutsindira igihembo cyangwa se quiz twatanze ejo bundi ku ndirimbo ya plenty. Yego. Uri mu rugo ko n'umushano benshi? Muri live, right? Muri gukurikira live, right? Yo, listen, man. Congrats to you.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, finally we have the female. What do you? Let me have the. Very, very important. Mukure inzangano. Bino bintu is supposed to be fun. We're supposed to be happy. Bino bintu tukwiye kubyishimiramo. Ntabwo tukwiye kubirakariramo. Ntabwo tukwiye kubirwaniramo. This is ndumva nanjye preaching, amen. Obviously she loves you guys. Shout out to all my friends, man. Shout out to all my boys. Lami Boo. Shout out to Kareem Abdul. Shout out to Kelly Uganda. Shout out to Mehdi. Shout out to K8 Kafuyo, the baddest. Shout out to shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to Mboni. Shout out to Sonia Hilton. How about you come and say it, baby? Shout out to Sonia Hilton. Shout out to Shout out to my mother. Shout out to my brother Dan Scott. Shout out to shout out to Nago. Before I go, shout out to Uncle Austin. Shout out to all the industry, man. Let me